So with my time at DISHER, I've had a great opportunity to partner with companies in setting up standards and processes in lean manufacturing, whether it's from traditional lean systems and development all the way to higher order management practices like Toyota Kata, and working with owners and business leaders to develop strategies in being effective in lean techniques. One of the greatest benefits about a company going lean has everything to do with culture. At DISHER, we believe that high-performing cultures yield high-performing organizations, and vice versa. The types of companies that can benefit from lean can vary dramatically, and it really doesn't matter what type of company you are. You can be high volume and use really high volume tools, or you can be low volume, be a job shop. You can be small, you can be big. Any organization that engages in continuous improvement using lean tools gains in the end. Lean ultimately means continuous improvement. If you choose to partner with DISHER for lean, what you can expect is to understand your why. Our focus is to really understand why you want to be lean, and by knowing why, we can get you to a place where the tools matter, the techniques are meaningful, and your coaching will be outstanding. DISHER will partner with you anywhere on your lean journey, from supervisor training to the basics of lean manufacturing, the philosophies behind it, the tools and techniques that move the lean journey forward. I encourage any company of any size, if they're interested in continuous improvement, just get started, try something. Reach out to DISHER, let us help you move your journey forward. Let's do something together. Let's make a positive difference.